In this growing technology in Pakistan, everyone wants to do an online business. In this video, I'll show you all the aspects and methods to start your e-commerce business in Pakistan. Hello friends, welcome to Technology Crash. E-commerce business is one of the famous online earning platform which includes online as well as physical activities. You can reach more audience of any city of the state, rather, you build a physical store which will be limited to a single city only. There are 6 steps we follow in this video to set up e-commerce business in Pakistan. Our first step is to find a good product. Finding product is so easy nowadays. All the way you need to do is list some products with your own interest or which you feel they have more audience. Continue to Google Trends and find out which product has good trends in Pakistan and finalize it. You can find best and growing product ideas in this video. Second step is product sourcing. After finding out the best product, you need to do sourcing. Sourcing is to find a place or factory from where you can buy this product at wholesale price. At startup, you can buy products with less budget but with good quality. Third, set up an e-commerce website. Website making is so easy nowadays. First, you need to find product name idea. Second, search this name to get an online domain. Domain is your online URL, on which people interact with your website. Third, you need to purchase hosting for your website on which you upload your website. I've given some famous hosting providers links in description, where you would be able to find domain as well as hosting. Next step is, build a website using WordPress. You can look out my video series that how to build an e-commerce website using WordPress. Our fourth step is, list products. After making a beautiful website, you need to upload all of your products. Your product title and description should be user-friendly, which would be attractive to your customers, and that will help you out in bringing website traffic. Next step is, product marketing. For marketing your products, you need to make pages on all the social media platforms, which includes Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and much more. You need to post in every social media platform and try to bring traffic to your website. If you want to do an advanced level marketing, then search engine optimization is one of the famous process to bring website traffic. Don't worry, if you're going to make website in WordPress, it will be more easy to do. Now, we've all done with set up an e-commerce business. Sell your products and earn your profit. If you like my video, please do like and share. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.